In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a Spotify playlist to Notion. By the end, you'll have a clean, playable Spotify widget right inside your Notion page, perfect for study playlists, team vibes, or mood boards. First, open Spotify on your computer, either the desktop app or the web player. Navigate to the playlist you want to embed. Make sure it's the exact playlist you want to show in Notion, including the right cover and track order. If you're viewing an album instead of a playlist, the process works the same way. Next, look for the three dots menu near the playlist's title or cover. Click that to open the options. Move your cursor over Share. You'll see several sharing choices appear. Select Copy Link to Playlist. If you see Copy Link to Album, that's fine too. Notion can embed either link. When you click it, Spotify places the link on your clipboard. Now switch to Notion and open the page where you want the playlist to live. You can add it to an existing page or a new one, anywhere you can paste content. Place your cursor in the spot you want the widget, then paste the link you copied from Spotify. Notion will recognize it and show you options. Choose Embed to turn that plain link into an interactive Spotify block. After it loads, you'll see the playlist preview with the cover art and a play button. You can resize the block by dragging its edges and reposition it just like any other Notion block, so it fits neatly with your text, tasks, or databases. If it looks narrow, widen the page or switch the page to full width for a cleaner, roomier layout. A few quick tips to make it smooth. If the embed doesn't appear right away, give it a second to load or paste the link again. Make sure your playlist's privacy settings allow others to view it if you plan to share the Notion page publicly. If you're using a strict browser setting or content blocker, temporarily allow embeds so the player can render. That's all there is to it. You copied the link from Spotify, pasted it into Notion, and chose Embed. Now you've got a fully functional Spotify player inside your notes, perfect for focus sessions, collaborative docs, or just keeping your favorite sounds one click away. If you found this helpful, try organizing multiple playlists under toggles or headings to keep your workspace tidy while keeping the music going.